The Fashion Styling and Image Design course at Pearl Academy is a very comprehensive, deep dive into the fashion industry from the perspective of a stylist. Hi, I'm Shalini Gupta. I'm the Head of Department for Styling and Beauty at the School of Fashion, Pearl Academy. The foundation year at Pearl Academy, which is the first year, is common for all design students. This year encourages you to become a visualizer, a communicator, and more importantly, an observer of design. In the second year of the Fashion Styling and Image Design course, you actually come into the styling domain. You start looking at subjects specifically related to fashion styling. You will study the history of costume, you will study image making, you will study very intensive digital skills, photography skills, you will also study hair and makeup. All of these things actually create a base to become an exceptional stylist. Once you come to the third year of the fashion styling course, it actually becomes more about focusing on aspects like editorial styling, aspects like commercial styling. You actually take a more comprehensive view of brands and how brands actually work in terms of styled images. The third year is also very exciting because you experience an international lab. An international lab could be something where you travel to an international university, or you have faculty from an international university come and teach you at your campus in Pearl, or you have a collaborative project with international students. So it's a very exciting year in that sense. The very special thing about the fourth year of the fashion styling course is that it is a costume-led year. You're going to learn costume design, you're going to learn filmmaking, you're going to learn video and post-production. The PG Fashion Styling and Image Design course is a 2-year course. The first year is very exciting because we get graduates from various fields. So we start with a module called Image and Identity, which actually introduces you to who you are and who you could be as a fashion stylist and image designer. The course goes on in that year to explore digital skills, to explore hair and makeup, to understand photography, to understand some amount of editorial styling, some amount of commercial styling, and the basics of personal styling. These actually create your foundation for the second year, which takes a deeper dive into these subjects. The second year is also very interesting because you take a deep dive into personal styling, which will actually enable you to become an image consultant, a personal stylist, a celebrity stylist, image designer, and someone who can also become a wardrobe consultant. Coming to Pearl Academy is going to be such an exciting journey for you. I have known so many students in my time here, and it's been completely transformational. They came as young kids who just out of school or just out of college, and they left as these amazing professionals. And we would love to do the same with you. So welcome to Pearl Academy.